You don't be better person. You know they even say make you even try visit person even now for once. You see me mourning, I don't bounce, I know come your house again. Bad girl. Don't be better friend, right?
Where are you from the concept?
Not be assignment wey dem give us, I go find textbook I take do am.
Hey! Wetin happen? You won't wound yourself. Every time book. Which day we go leave this your book, follow us, go enjoy small. Ha! Babe, the day we go leave this book, you know what I go do? I go just look for any available church. Enter there, go kabash. Say God, you are worthy.
You don't reach like that.
Better prayer. Always reading. Anyway, Sha, you good. At least during exam, I will see person I will spy. What do you think?
Me na left side I go there.
No. What be that? Who will open booklet for now?
Ah, we not be friends. Stop.
No be done happen last time, oh. This time I no see I.
Now me, you are your friend, Amaka. Don't worry. You see this time, na time to flex my life. You know now.
This is how you do, so now flexing you day.
Before, okay?
I think for your mind, now flexing you day. Oh Jesus. This is how we all the guys for campus. Why enter you?
Me, Amaka. I don't blame you.
Empty vest. Not your fault. Now me what can come with you. I say now. Why not go insult me? That's what I say now. Now slap up for wolf. That joke now. Nonsense. Come now. Come on, say that. That's what I say.
Hey! Oya to Golam.
What is it?
Because we went to her house to visit her. That's why she has the guts to insult us and call us empty.
Hey! Point of correction. She did not insult us, rather she insulted.
Hey! Insult me? But both of us were there.
I beg, baby, now you should insult, not be me.
Okay. I know how to handle her. By the time I am through with her, you see that her feather? I will make sure I break it into two.
See, I hope you're not planning something stupid. Besides, that girl was only joking. See, I don't follow, I beg. Don't leave you.
Hello, please. Hello. Please excuse me.
Yeah. How may I help you?
My name is Collins. A final year student of mechanical engineering. I guess you're Stephanie, right?
So?
I would like you to be my girlfriend, like you being my lover.
Wow, that's nice. Please, what's the time?
It's about 8:30 a.m.
And you think it's the right time to chase after a lady? As a final year student, you should focus more on your projects. Don't you think so? Have a nice day.
But please.
Mom. Good evening, Mommy. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How you doing? How is Daddy? Okay. School is fine, Mom. I'm actually coming back from lectures. I'll be coming home by the weekend to celebrate my birthday. Really? Thank you. Thank you so much, Mommy. Okay. Alright, I won't miss it. Okay, that'll be nice, Mom. Amen. Thank you so much, Mom. Regards to Dad. Okay. Bye.
Honey.
Yes, dear.
I've been trying Sydney's number. It has not been going through.
But I spoke with her yesterday. Maybe she's having lectures. Yes. She said she'll be coming home by weekend to celebrate her birthday with us.
Really? My lovely daughter. I hope everything is set for that celebration.
Not yet.
Huh? What are you waiting for? Go in there, search the pockets of my trousers, the black trousers. You will see the money in there. Use it.
Thank you, honey. Thank you.
Call is my guy. How far now? What did they happen? You are not looking bright. I mean, don't.
I don't understand what that Stephanie girl calls herself. To have treated me the way she did yesterday.
That girl self, Ashakara is getting too much. Sometimes she acts as if her father is Dangote and her mother is Billy Jonathan. Anyways, as for me, I have once approached her and she gave me the insult of my life. Insult that two people cannot share. As I'm talking to you right now, I am still planning on what to do to her.
No, Austin, I beg. No, go that side, I beg. That babe where you see so, now my babe she be. I beg, no just think that one again, I beg.
Oh, mama! Sponsor number one! See your face, number boy. See my guy. Don't worry. No need to bother yourself. You know, say I be connection man. I go connect that girl for you. Really? She be your babe already.
That babe where you see so, I did die for her well. They die.
My guy, I'm going to my number one. You go young guy die. You go my guy. Okay, you know what? You know I'm Mr. Connection man. Don't worry, I'll come with a very good plan. That girl's already yours.
Really?
Yeah, she's yours.
Wow. Oh boy, you are about me to be happy.
Double master. See my guy. Shut up, man. Don't get that girl.
This girl just dey waste our time, oh. No time to ever say no time, oh.
As the writer for book say, you should not come early now. I go balamaha, and you are not dey waste time.
That's fine.
Don't waste our time.
Hey, I'm so sorry now. It was hold up. I hope you guys understand what I said. I just want you guys to break her wings for me. That girl is just feeling as if she's Saint Virgin Mary. And the rest of us are evil. Just break her wings for me. That's what I want.
You don't talk finish. As the writer for Matthew chapter 2 verse 2, or say, anybody will carry matter come for us, we go arrange and well, but something they involve, and that thing now waiting. Ego 50K.
Okay, no problem. You know what is going to happen? I will give you guys 25K. When you are through with the job, I will give you the balance.
No wahala. You go hear her gist soon. Now we get this ghetto.
Babe, guess what?
What is it? Whether you don't hear again. BBC.
You know I'm the only news informant in this place.
Who don't know you? Who don't know you for this campus?
Okay, calm down. Now blow to the horse. You know what? I heard that the final year students are throwing party tomorrow. Huh? I will wait to be there to dial a ball with them. You know now.
Party girl.
They really need to be happy after all they've been through in school. Oh, it's worth celebrating.
Yes.
Yeah, I must be there. Oh. You know, go.
Becky, when they celebrate, now their time then they.
You know what? You must go to that party. Because if you don't celebrate with them, nobody is going to celebrate with you. Your own time. Yes.
Party, you know go. Let yourself if they come late. No the book now they read.
With all the assignments, 10 paperwork. I never finish them, they enter party.
Wait, make I tell you. Book the papers increase.
Tell us something.
If you walk, you no play, you go just.
Now only una mouth I dey hear all this kind gist.
Yeah.
I beg you.
You guys should show up now. Let's go. It's getting late.
Babes. What kept you girls?
Sorry about that. So how are you?
Fine. I'm here for you guys now.
Let's get going. It's getting late so that we'll come back on time.
Is this how you're dressing to the party?
What's wrong with what I'm putting on?
Stephanie, everything is wrong. Abba, can't you look sexy for once in your life? How are you putting on?
It's not that bad now. Come on.
Please.
Don't you have miniskirts in your wardrobe?
I think I have one.
Then go and dress up.
Hurry up.
This is what is in vogue. Come on.
See how pretty you look.
It's short.
See how pretty you look on it.
Please, girls, let's go.
Very soon you'll be used to it.
Remember me?
Of course, I remember you.
And do you remember the insult you gave